Hello, xavanini vanhu va ka hina hi to hambanahambana laha mi nga kona naswona mi tshamerile namuntlha ka nkanelo wa gingirikana ku ri mina mandla ya kereke gingirikana ku maxava ni kha ni tisela nongonoko wa hina wa ntolovelo ku nga nkanelo wa gingirikana namuntlha hina size hi dya nkarhi wo tala ni ngo loko ku nga za subscribe ka channel ya hina ni kombela hi nga tani namuntlha hi tlika the red button ku ri na wehe loko hi endla show ta hina nga sela ndzhaku khumba na clock leri nga kwalano ku ri i swi vona ku loko hi release tivhidiyo ta hina ya tla swi kuma ni vona kahle la gyani a ti-E a ti-F minjhani ka xihoko a tsanile a ti-B la ka malamulelo na vona mi tshame kahle yi ngo dota ka mapapila ku na le ka mapapila le ka makhuva hayi ku na matiko ma nga ma pandisana nhloko ku nga xigamani o ka xigamani ka xigamani hi le ka xigamani hi le ka xigamani njhani la nkowankowa nakona phela hana mi tiva hala ala nkowankowa hala bush kona le a bush ku hanga leyi kani va yi langutaka mi message Cape Town kona namuntlha hi ze hi fika namuntlha because we were rudely interrupted by that single leya ku dedicata timhaka ta njhani laniwani Freddie Masingi ku nga Machabemuta verificate isitobana single ya loko ti-reviews namuntlha a ni lave ku sungula hi leya review ya kokwani Dr. Thomas Chauke na Shinyori Sisters Majagani ximatsatsana ma 35 yi leyi nga yi khoma ni xavile ni xave ka malamulele guys CD ma vona ku yi kona la yi rhendzeleka ne ni xave ka malamulele garage. It's interesting ku Dr. Thomas Chauke loko va nga ze va release album leyiwani Majagani swi va tekele 2 years ku va release album yin'wana and then it's interesting ku ri album leyi vona leyi va nga release hi 2015 ku nga Xiganga va yi thi Xiganga ne and then it was almost like a prophecy ku ri he will have a bit of a mountain to climb to get to this album, and did he have a mountain to climb, guys? So it took him a bit of a while, but we're happy that he's back and he's at his best. Dr. Thomas Chauke. And the case of Swinene Kabanaba Jonaka, and one what I comment. Thank you very much for your input. I'm not going to cover Chingelo. Sachinga, like YouTube. Sachinga. Guys, Sachinga. But anyway, we appreciate your participation. That's why it's called Nkanelo or Gingirikana. Because I never want to fana and way most is no way, no more than a way, no more than a winner. My take a way. So, Anagulagu, it's interesting looking at the album. When I look at the album cover, let's look at the album cover. It's a very beautiful one, nice one, clean, and it's not complicated. Not too many things happening there, simple and straightforward. And then when I read it, I realized that Dr. Thomas Chauke does not thank the bassist, the well-known bassist Diana Matonsi there as someone who contributed in the album. He just only mentions him as someone who was dressed by some company. I don't know what company is it. What clothing. He only says Matonsi was dressed by some company. I forgot the name. But I thought that was very interesting to not to mention Matonsi as one of the bassists, because the perception out there is that Matonsi is the bassist for Dr. Thomas Chauke. I'm not sure if it only applies to live performances, but if I can say something, I saw when Dr. Thomas Chauke was performing live on TV, on SABC2, it was Afro Cafe, I think. Afro Cafe, yeah, he wasn't there. Matonsi wasn't there as well, so I was like, what's gonna happen? Is he not gonna be part of the album, you know? And then voila, he's here, he's back. He's in the album cover. We'll see if he ever played a role in terms of the musical contribution. But Dr. Thomas Chauke, what he does here is he thanks Team Original. Team Original is people that buys his music. He calls them Team Original. He also thanks Shinyori Sisters. The ladies there, if you look at it, the ladies are called Shinyori Sisters. This is part of the band. He also thanks Themba Chauke. Themba Chauke is his son. who's also very, very involved in his music as well. I also thank Shibobo Chauke. I think he plays lead guitar as well. I'm not sure, but I think he does. Kuna track number 7, Kashi Kamanaja. Shibobo played the lead guitar there. And other people that I mentioned is Mikongelo Big Chauke, Ganyan. Is it Ganyan Chauke? Yeah, Ganyan Chauke is also mentioned. And also the angels, because Shunuri sisters, he calls them the angels. So he thanks them, all of them. He did not thank Matunzi as someone who contributed. I don't know why, but we'll explore and see. Let's look at the back cover and we'll see that he says, all songs produced by him, Dr. Thomas Chauke, lead guitar, Dr. Thomas Chauke, bass guitar, Dr. Thomas Chauke. Now it makes sense why. Because Dr. Thomas Chauke seems to have played the bass for all the songs, right? So Matunzi did not play a role in this album in terms of musical contribution. He only came for the pose, for the snap. Maybe when we get a chance, we can ask these questions, you know. We can get these questions and we can get them answered. But when I started listening to the album, when we were trying to fiddle around with the album, I could not help but always go back to Dr. Thomas Chauke's previous album, especially the early albums. You know, there's an album which I bumped into. Well, I didn't really bump into it. It's just it's one of the albums I like because I feel like in that album, Dr. Thomas Chauke was on fire. Ishimatata number 4. It was released in 1984. I think some of us were young or were not even born yet. That album, when I listen to this one, it always takes me back to his early albums because I feel like in this album, he sort of almost went back to his original self, where he plays those slow lead guitar lines, you know. And especially, let's actually listen to the first track. It's called Majagan, the title track. I'm gonna turn this thing on. Hope it doesn't make noise. Is it loud enough? Let me take it up. Okay, I'm not gonna play the whole thing. I'm just interested in the fact that it's interesting that all Dr. Thomas Chauke's songs, the lead guitar is almost like, it operates like Shimakwa. You know, logo amuntin kuruna Shimakwa, kuruna ti Pitbull and that one. Shimakwa kutala kuranga kurushona Shimukula, then kuleta tukulu tomati tichacha whatever the Shimakwa Shimukula sona. So the lead guitar, Dr. Thomas Chauke, it operates like that. It starts like you know. He plays that, and then when the bass come on, you can hear the lead guitar takes a backseat. And I think it's something that has to do with maybe arranging or music mastering. And then, because when you check here, the album is mastered by Dave Segal. I think it's his longtime friend, I'm not sure. But I just like the fact that he's very consistent in keeping the lead guitar to lead. And then when you think it's gonna be the one that is making noise, the bass come in and then he starts singing. Yeah, that's you can hear that the lead guitar is at the back seat and the bass is like, now I'm at the front. You know, which is quite remarkable because most of the time you find that if someone is a lead guitarist or someone like Dr. Thomas Chauke, will want to have the lead guitar loud and then it makes noise and then there's distortions, and which we don't hear. If you listen to the album, there's no distortion. Sound mastering, engineered well, mastered well, it's clean, everything is balanced. You know, even the drums, when the drums are playing, you can hear the other side of the drum. If you listen to it with your headphones, the other side, and it goes the other side, comes back together in the middle. Hundreds. Let's go. storyteller. He's not the person that will come and play you and give you a hit. You know, he plays solid albums. If you listen to his albums, most of the time you have to listen to the whole thing. You can't just listen to one. And that's why it makes sense, because I've never had a day when they say there's Thomas Chauke is releasing a single. You know, I've never heard of that. So it's interesting that in this album as well, it keeps it consistent. There's always 10 songs. There's always 10 songs. There's no remix, there's no instrumental, doesn't try to force things, you know, like keep things as they are. I love that. Very Kalikam Sawalok Beblo Moyan Abaku Kumela Waye. Here, Thomas Chauke is going back to his original self, where we know he's a person who guides. You know, all these albums are there to guide people's lives. Actually, I feel like if you read the Bible very well and you listen to this album, you're good to go. Not only this album, actually, if you listen to all his music, Dr. Thomas Chauke is not only called a doctor for no reason, because he gives you life, you know. He injects life into your system. So this album is one of those albums. And I just want to say, in this album, especially on this song Majagan, for some of you may be wondering why I'm speaking in English. I just noticed that some people, there's a lot of people out there who want to follow my channel, but because I speak Xitsonga deep, you know, they say I'm too deep. So I am not trying to accommodate them. I just feel it's necessary for other people to hear what exactly I'm saying and what am I on about, you know. Majagani, the name Majagani. Majagani, if I researched it very well, it's people who believe in education. In the olden days, they were called Majagan. You know, if you were believing in new revolution, education, or maybe we call it westernization, in my Tsonga culture, you will be termed or referred to as a Jagan or Majagan. You know, so he's saying that back in the days, women were only expected to cook, you know, to decorate the house, you know, to bear children. And that's when I realized that he's actually paying attention to the gender issues. We know South Africa is battling and grappling with a lot of gender violence in different formats. I'm not even going to go deep in that. But Dr. Thomas Chauke is trying to empower women right now to say, it's no longer like it was in the past, my lady. You can be whatever you want to be in this life. You can graduate, you can have a lot of money, you can own companies. Your existence here on earth is not only confined to just being someone who bears children, or just being a wife or a housewife for that matter. You can work for yourself, you can make your own money, you can just be yourself and do good without someone else, without depending on someone else, you know. Because back in the days, the grandfathers, you know, or Pakokwan Bai, or Papa Bai, or Chorbai, and so they were only, so she was sort of almost like an investment in terms of someone who's gonna come and buy her out, you know. So I feel like I needed to mention the fact that Dr. Thomas Chauke in the song Majagan is very gender aware, so which is very, very interesting, especially to come from an old man like him, you know. So I really like the song there. So I'm gonna go to the next track. It's called Kerek. There you go. Kutata ruka with the saulel, you know, not to long dranyana, you know, it's nice. So he's saying, like I said, he's just saying that you can choose whatever you want, you know, however you want to live your life. Track number 3, Kerek. People like this song as well. I saw people posting these lyrics on Facebook. Let's hear what Kutala. The people like Kutala as well. I say this? Yeah, I think it's important to say this, that it's very easy to notice the absence of that old, well-known lead singer for Thomas Chauke, Manflo. She used to be the one that will lead this kind of songs, but now it looks like there's someone else who's leading. So I can notice the voice there. You can say all you want, but I just had to mention that I can hear that that's not her voice. And in the past albums, especially Shiganga, because when she was in Canada Gingirkan, she told us that she started leading for Dr. Thomas Chauke on his 4th album, Shimatata number 4. So yeah, I'm gonna put a card here for you to watch that interview if you would like to see what she's on about, and that chat we had with Manflo. This is Kutala. Track number 4. Kutala, track number 4. Mileswi swonini suhumelela ka ndotolo to hambanahambana. Hakanyingi loko munhu a kha a endlela swa kahle, u vona loko khi ti zamazamela swa wena, wa pfuka vanhu vo tala va ku jelezela. Va twa nga ri swo olova kahle. Va twa nga ri swi easy ku va swi endla hi ndlela leyi ma swi. So a hi tekeni marito ya kokwana Chauke lava hi byela ku ri hi Kutala, hi nga give up. Focus on oppose. Still, he's telling a story, but he's guiding us. I don't know. I just want to say that, yeah, as much as we itia, shikahle ku itia, Kutala, mara include na Xikongelo. Ku lava na Xikongelo kuna matimba, and Nchulani can't sing. Loko kha tiya byela ku tiya I fanele tiya khitse loko ina Xikongelo ka huyiwa laha handle. yo and maxaka ya wena jealousy vanhu vo opposa I maxaka ya wena, vanhu lava I nga va themba, vanhu lava va nga close ngopfu na wena, hi vona vanhu va lava ku wela hansi. They want to see your downfall. Those people, your close friends, your close relatives, you must watch them va titimela. But you know what, Kutala emahlweni until they don't know what to do. I love that drum. Yeah, but Thomas Chauke is a hero, man. He's a champ. But there's a song that I don't understand. It's called Ekimbini, guys. I listened to the song and I had my own interpretation. I feel like I'm both, man. Again, the lead guitar is really. Check the basic. That line. Very whatever mali mina vele khale mina kusuka nayo manjwana. I want this part where he's talking about Ekimbini. I'm looking for that part. I think it's very important. Ekimbini. It must be a lost destination. Ekimbini, because it sounds ibunzawo if you know Xitsonga ne. Loko rito sungula hi Egiyani, Kerekeni, Ekimbini, ibunzawo. It must be a place. Vakala va huma Ekimbini, Himleng. So that's what he says. That's what, if you didn't hear that line, you must go and listen to it. So in other words, he's saying you can try all you want to have money. It's not an easy thing to achieve. Sometimes you can get lost. Sometimes you can find yourself in trouble just because you're trying to be rich, you know. So the love for money is talking about that. the love for money can lead you to astray, you know. So that's how it is. Just skip because we don't have time. We're running out of time. Track number 6 is called Ahuwe Huwe. You can see, you can notice the old version of Chinyori here. You know, he's not too fast. He's going back to his roots, you know, where he comes from. Those early albums, very, 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 very noticeable on this album. He's jamming here, he's jamming. But I saw that look one logo I'll take we have one doing. I usually you tell your mom first. You know, on a go time. It's like that. Women have and I think Thomas Chokela, you're right. No, the song is very emotional, guys. I'm very emotional when I listen to this song. You know why it's very emotional? It's because the beat that he's using there, it's like his old self, Thomas Chauke, the one you know from Chimasta number 8, number 10, 12, you know, Kakuba 14, all those things. Like, I don't know why he did this, because his album, this one, it's Shimasta number 35, but it always, if you were a follower of his music, you are bound to refer back to all his early albums. There's a lot of similarities, you know. And this beat is very the message in the beat for me is too personal. I'm not sure if I should share this, but it's a very personal song. When I listen to it, the message that it's saying something that's happening in my family, you know, and I feel like probably if there was someone senior than me, being the one that is trying to guide and say, hey, you know, things wouldn't have been the way things have turned out in my family. That's why I feel it's a very, very personal song. And I wish all people can actually listen to this song, and actually not only this song, just Thomas Chauke's music is life. It's life. He breathes life to you if you listen to him and listen to what he says. You know, the lyrics, he's more lyrical than trying to create hits, than trying to outclass any other artist out there. He's more into guiding and showing us the way how to live, how to lead. I just don't know who is telling him all these things for him to come up with these kind of messages, you know. We all know his album is about messages, you know. I mean, it must be an embarrassment for you if you don't have own an album of Thomas Chauke, because I know he's streaming his music online as well. So this song is a very personal one for me. I just can't. It's a very personal song. Things that is being said here, it's too personal. It's true, if you don't guide the children, if you don't I don't know how to hightail them. If you don't hightail them, if you don't show them the way, if they are wrong, if they are right, you know, things will turn out in a bad way, and you might not be able to control it in the long run, and the whole community will be crying because of your kids, because of your children. It's not a nice thing to hear, you know. I've had scenarios where I hear people saying a lot of things, you know, because of where I come from, you know, and it's not a nice message. It's not a nice thing to hear. It's not nice. You want to go out there and have fun, and someone will come and tell you, hey, so and so did this, hey, so, you know, it's not nice, guys. So, honestly speaking, yes, let's follow his message. He's guiding us. He's telling us how to raise our kids, our children, our siblings, if you have. For some of us, we grow up with our sisters, grow up with our own single mothers, or single fathers, single parents, or the sister or the brother alone having to take care of the house, So the best thing is to listen to those ones that are older than you. Even though you think you are more smarter than them, but they might have something that you can take to help you in life. Because if you're gonna go out there in this life and you wanna be matiba zonke, matiba hinkwazo, you're not gonna make it. So Who is it's a tough song. Now, let's listen to the guitar that is done by Shibobo. Let's hear what Shibobo has. Apparently, look at track number 7. People who are married, well, I'm not married. Well, you know the song is straightforward, Take off your in-laws, that's what it's saying. Because very she's in the gate. Slams are the Jana. Malo so kukujigiliki the camera the Jikaso. The Shivoda. Stop that manu which go along. So, the Gotana, I get a good dose of Sonapur. I don't pay anything like no. In Yavachi, no Supoteka. Miteka na tikiva na titeki masandazi yabona mimi vashanjela ka sisaseka maftis. Yeah, I know kushatika mara hey I get mutela kuhlisa ngwayina inika na bona ne. But na mina majita man guys sikahle kuloko mihluphisa mali abamateka man because now she has to do ifana afuka igalaza before galaza ifana akukula ndrangu. Ifana clean yini, ifana ahlantsha, ifana sheka. And kuma kuna maskoli zwo tshama swi nga duma nto yitla yini la bone ka ndai. O ta maskola papa la batho yini la bone ye. So about the come plan lang. Ska sa go. Loko i no teka. Uma stand. Of this is uma stand man skola kushula. Because it's Hamakaya, Tekini, Grosswell Sotarango. Safupa, Namasa Soy was Mokuzonda, Satawena, Nasatona Smokola, Manawena. It has to good, I want to say, if I need my pretty large car. So to save yourself from all of these things, the best thing called much time, if I'm catching a cross, if you can get checkers. Okay. So I don't go in the other square, my better show me. Macafone. She number 34. She can't WhatsApp. So she will foot for could funny like time sell up when making one. Comes someone wants to stop my say. Ingena kaso sotala ko mono ataka funa wena that's a kid so lo sabu ke la sebe kuma ku thesela la sa kwati iku abona shilo leswi afana nga swivona ka phone funa kahle ni history ya phone na tiva kahle phone Mara la ka sinero do de la ku sho khanda kuma ku na munhu wo hlekisana na kwala handle. Se munhu ka phone number ta wena se maku kort ile ku phone and kuma ku phone na mhani va le kaya va kona. Swi ngeza tumakeni. So sometimes I don't become a man number of time guys. Sometimes I don't become a man. Mara kuna sibelo va tala va rhandza swinene. Xikwembu xa pfula ni vone va ku ni vone vanhu va tala va ri quote ka Facebook na rona sinero va rhandza mu vanhu. Track number 9. Xikwembu xa pfula. Matila mavonele ya vanhu ya benda benda. Vanhu ya va twisisi because munhu I twa nga ri loko I tswariwe amutini wa vusiwana va twa na ho ta fisa sweswo. A ni swi twisisi ku why people think like that. And munhu un'wana tswariwe amafurheni. Some of them feel like they are entitled to being wealthy and rich, you know, and that's not always the case. It doesn't always happen like that. It doesn't always happen in that way. You have to work your butt off for whatever you can achieve in the world. You have to work. There's nothing for mahala, guys. Come on, but doesn't mean you can't look I will die like that. No. You know, it's not like that. No. I don't know why people think like that, but yeah. Kasi chita ntambu Xikwembu vana swi vonanga vasaka you know Xikwembu xa cinca hey. That's why ku khola ka nun'wa ene ri kona risuna Dr. Thomas Chauke ra khale ra ku khola ka nun'wa khola ku lunghanga you know loko khola munhu un'wana I swi tiva ku mundzuku vutomi vhilo tswaka so nga hleketi ku loko wena swi swi ku fambela kahle then me swi nga fambi kahle ntafisa sweswo no it's not like that. Vutomi is not like that. And dokodela va hi dyondzile ku dyondziseni na ku fanele hi vona loko hi khaya ti hanyela vutomi byin'wana leti Xikwembu xa cinca tintambu xi disconnecta swin'wana xinghezi to tshukela ta red na ta green la xi pfula kona kwala ta pfala you know. And I love it because the message in this album, guys, the message in this album is like please listen to the album. Please do yourself a favor and listen to this album. Let's go to Tato. Hi. Pelan ka sa mo, Miss Pelan. Guys, basta kung kahle xibelani, ang kahle xibelani, ku hala nga ta khoma xibelani, thawuza. Lula le xibelani kahle ngopfu, nga chavi loko. Nemba. No mara le xibelani kahle ngopfu, no mtshika ngwemtshimtshi na xibelani laha handle, no mtshika loko hamba, mata hi mo hi nga wihi mintirho ya vanhu, xinkwa xa vanhu van'wana. Look, you're wrong. But sometimes it's como a car when and the children, but because you could do a good way. The mark at the good to make we way, as one as one way. Badly, I could land the letter. That's all look on your car, it's not benefit of you when you walk around, if you're living well with people, the blessings what doba. What all like the blessing life and God. The blessing that can atiti ku khongela ngopfu kumbe ku va fasta ngopfu kumbe ku va iri more connected na pastor yo karhi kumbe ku nyikela ngopfu no ku hanya kahle na vanhu swa negative blessings wa tikuma ri ka xiyimo xo hambana hikuva i tikuma i hanya kahle na vanhu ni vanhu van'wana ma loko nga hanyi kahle na vanhu nkarhi wun'wana u kuma ku na wehe swilo a hi wena nkarhi wolowo a ku onhangi wena ma ta swi twa tiko hinkwaro ta ku wena nga ri wena i fela yini i fela mahala because of your past, you know. So it's quite a sad song for me as well. It's a very personal song for me. Whoa! Bass like a car from them. Why? I pass you the blind the bass moves. The blind the bass guitar. Yeah. It didn't go like, guys. Okay, rain over family like it's a sort of me joining, but before Famba, I love Shishwane, the there's something about Doctor Thomas Chowk. I just pray that one day I'll get a chance to sit down with him. It will be a good sitting. You know what I do when I have this kind of guys when I come here? I don't play. But I want to say, album Leon, besides this album, I just want to appreciate Dogodela for his consistency. You know, I can't music watch Gaza, Kutala Kumi watch song, I can't music watch song, hey, when one of music watch Gaza, they get offended. I don't know. But I mean, you can't music watch song or what traditional. Kutala Kumi Moya type of music, or car, so some get slow jam, Chongor. Slowly to do the very kind of car like that, but don't tell them what is good house you, what you imagine a jai don. Mara the lava consistency, he is not swayed by the tide, you know, he remains authentic to himself, he remains true to who he is, you know. He doesn't try to copy anyone, he doesn't try to copy what is trending right now and try to fit in. No. And that's what sets him apart. So I really want to say kudos to that. And also for keeping his band, man. I mean, is it almost like 4 decades in a game? It's 38 or 39 years in a game. 35 albums in his belt, you know. Releasing 10 songs, almost all albums. Sometimes it's 12, sometimes it's 10, but most of his albums are 10 songs. And he keeps the same band, even though we can see the one person missing there, Manflo is not there. We know, we can notice that one. She's not here, you can see. It's not the rumor. I'm just saying she's not there. We know she has her own music, but the reason I'm mentioning is because she's been part of this project for so many years. So it's quite noticeable to see when she's not around, you know. And I wanted to say, Bumatonsi is there as well. But I wanted to say sound quality, Dokodela is clean. You can see we put the wind, so the proper mastering, proper engineering of his album, you know, as no vara, you know, as distorted, you know, it's not distorting, it's clean, you can hear the voices, you can hear the guitar, and sometimes when the guitar is leading and it takes the back seat, you can hear it's at the background far there and the bass is up there, you know. But some albums, you got the instrument that my hand is still painful, guys. I can feel it. It's painful because I was dancing. I'll be strong, but I'm getting better. You know, I'm getting better. So I wanted to say big up to that. Yeah, he's mastering. Apparently, he does his own engineering. Also, his children are part of his legacy, his music. It's always chocolate, except Matonsi and Dave Seagal here, and then his manager. But he keeps the same thing. Standard, he doesn't compromise quality. Everything is fine. Doesn't compromise quality. And then he also sticks to him guiding us him telling us, giving us messages. You know, he's not trying to fit into different trends and genres of whatever is trending at the time. He keeps it original. He keeps it, you know, as it is. And then I also like the fact that as much as there's a lot of infiltration, shlungu, there's a lot of electronic usage in Tsonga music right now. That's why it's called Tsonga Electro. But Dr. Chauke, most of his albums, can I say all his albums, most of the instruments that you hear, they were not drawn by a computer, or it was not done by a computer. They were played live, you know, and it was engineered nicely, so it sounds nice to you. Yeah. So I really appreciate him for keeping it original, you know. And when he performs, he doesn't perform with a CD, Dr. Chauke. I think that's why it's expensive. I think it's expensive for him to come with a band. I mean, he has to come with a guitar, the lead guitar, drum, keyboards. I don't know how many keyboards he has to get in. A lot of marimba, different voices, you know. So it's quite a remarkable. We need to celebrate this champion, you know. We really need to celebrate Dr. Thomas Chauke. I'm really thankful for this kind of talent. You know, I grew up in a family where Dr. Thomas Chauke's music was played almost every day. So I grew up from however, when he started, I always listened to his music until today, when I can also buy my own, you know, to continue with that with that tradition. So it's I'm not talking about something I don't know. I mean, I've listened to my mom. May her soul rest in peace. May her soul rest in peace, Manikiani. She used to listen to him a lot and imitate the dance moves that they would do, Shinyori sisters, you know. And I'm really thankful for this, to have lived and witnessed this music, to have lived and witnessed this champion. It's such a blessing. I feel like I'm blessed to have been able to live, and at the time I'm alive, I know Thomas Chauke is releasing an album. I'm not going to be told by someone else and say, hey, there used to be this champion who used to play this music, you know, it was unique. No, I'm experiencing it now, and I'm experimenting with it. So it's quite a remarkable thing. I also wanted to say, I like the spaces that he leaves in his music. He does not oversing things, you know. His songs are quite simple. He does not oversing, and he leaves a lot of spaces for the balance of instruments. You know, music sometimes is nice when there's a bit of a quietness. Music is loud when it's quiet. I don't know if you understand me. When there's too much noise, you can't hear anything, but then when there's a bit of tranquility in a song, you can hear, you are easy to digest. It's easy on the ear, you know. So I'm really thankful for this. But yeah, that's it. So album cover, beautiful, 10 songs again. So that's all I had for you guys to review this album. Thomas Chauke, National Sister, Dr. Thomas Chauke, National Sisters, Shimatata number 35, Majagan. What a song, what an album. I don't know how it's done in terms of sales, I don't know. I can't give you the stats because I don't know. Probably one day I'll get to hear how many copies were sold for this album alone. I know he hit platinum or gold. I don't know which one is gold, which one is platinum, but I think he sold a lot of albums in one day. Is it 50,000 copies per day? In one day, I'm not sure. I think something like that. So that's all I had for you guys. So still gonna do more reviews, album reviews on Kanelo Gingirkana Mantelegera. Gingirka Pokumasha. Nikarika stuff. So like I'm testing to Torna. Salute. Mga titibay, lumo sa subscribe ba? Subscribe ba? Nikwelo. Salute. Mga titibay. I guess those.